I invited my friend Bigfoot over for fireworks tonight. I brought the sparks.
Wow, that's a lot of fireworks.
Go big or go home. Wait, is that all you brought? That's adorable.
Hey.
It's fine. There's snow everywhere. Trees can't count fire if they're frozen.
I've been ready since Memorial Day. This baby'll gonna echo into Canada.
I was born ready.
Fair enough. Light it up. Is that on fire?
Totally on fire.
Why isn't this working?
Throw harder.
Hey, I don't think that's working.
You're filming this. Of course I am. Vlog content. I think the ranger saw us. Run now, edit later.
I think we lost him.
Yep. Ranger's gone. Totally fine now. Light it up. Hey everyone. Fireworks are fun, but they can be dangerous.